Press it harder. Press the other.
There.
Oh shit, it was on safety.
Alright, today we're gonna go and check out something different, something new. We're gonna go shoot some shotguns. A couple of friends of mine has done this before and I asked them if they could bring me and show me. And today's that day. I don't know what to expect. I've never shot with a shotgun before and I don't know how strong the recoil is. Maybe I whip the gun into my... Maybe I will... Maybe if I shoot it, I might just...
What is in your face?
If I shoot a shotgun, it's gonna whip it in my face. My gosh. But yeah, anyways, let's go out there and I'll see you guys there. Nice shirt.
Yeah. I think it's just for farming shirt, don't worry. Enjoy, guys.
The Greek goddess. The Greek goddess of farming.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Only my right side though.
Yeah, the left one's out of batteries.
So this is actually called Skeet Shooting.
Finger always right here, unless you're ready. Okay. You kind of want to line this up with a bead, and then just try to aim the water. Remember about this?
Oh yeah.
So, rack it fully back and then fully forward. Tighten up, Chris. You're too loose. Tighten
I'm
up.
scared. Wait. Should I just go?
too, man.
Yeah, just go. And aim.
I'm gonna go into...
Yeah, go in the water.
Wherever you wanna go, bro.
Oh,
Yo, did you see that?
Yeah.
Yo, I felt that. Assess and recuperate. I forgot. My ears are ringing right now. Damn, that shit is loud.
Oh, shit, bro! Yeah.
The first time to
Damn!
Beginner's luck.
Woo!
This kicks a lot harder.
For real?
Like you'll feel this one a lot harder. That's for like birds and ducks.
Oh, this is for birds and ducks. This is for deers and bears.
Lean forward. Just lean forward.
No, it's not. You can feel it, but it's not.
It's not gonna be a big. Alright,
Alright.
ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready whenever you
Press
want.
that. Alright.
Okay. Do I have to cock it?
No. Right there. A little bit higher, further. Right there.
Your cheek, son.
Do I have to put my face?
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it.
What about?
Go!
Man, awesome experience. I had no idea that shit would just tear up your shoulder. If I spent another hour shooting, I probably have black and blue bruises on my shoulder, but that was fun. I actually shot 2 discs today. 2. Well, that was well worth it. I think we're gonna head out now. See you guys.
My whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Shooting those shotguns today. In that crazy heat, I'm just ready to take a dip. Show you this, guys. I thought I was joking when I said I was gonna have a black and blue shoulder, but look at that.